चलो ठीक है जोक मार रहा हूँ मैं एक्चुअली नहीं हुआ ऐसे सोच के नहीं आया मैं अगर पहले बोलते तो मैं ऐसा सोच के आया था टू बी very honest I thought all of these were like arrogant egoistic beings
Oh.
like this guy didn't even probably like hugged me.
We don't want to be anything like BTS, One Direction, or any other bands. We want to be something unique, and we want to represent India. We want to represent India in a similar way how BTS represented Korea on a global scale.
in his phone. But after that, हम दोस्त बन गए.
Amazing.
I think so. दोस्त हैं.
He said no.
I must say Shah Rukh Khan as well.
Amazing. So you guys will be competing.
Yes.
Oh.
My challenge is trying to sleep at night because these two people don't let me sleep at night at all. Like I have to call them, मेरा call नहीं उठाते लोग. Then I have to physically go and tell them कि भाई धीरे बजाओ.
तेरे आने से मैंने जाना कि तू ही जीने का है बहाना and I don't know why but I feel good तेरे आने से मैंने जाना कि हर सफर हो गया सुहाना and I don't know why but I feel good
If all of you have been complaining that we don't have a music band and only rely to international ones, then well, here's presenting Outstation, our very own Indian boy band.
Hello.
So I want each of you to introduce each other. I mean, introducing yourself would be boring. So maybe the person next to you, go ahead and introduce your band to the world.
This is Korean. He's my friend. He's my bandmate. And he jokes मारता है.
Okay.
Hello, so this is Shayan. He's from Hyderabad, he's 17. Thank you.
So I'm gonna introduce Bhuvan. He's a very good singer, and I met him at the boot camp.
So I'm gonna introduce Mashal, who used to be an emo kid. And I've seen all his covers and I think he's a fantastic musician.
Okay. You have to introduce yourself now.
So this is Bhuvan. He's from the forest. मैंने और inside दिया ना.
You have to introduce yourself. You're the only one left now.
I'm Himang, and I'm from Prayagraj.
Simple introduction. But tell me, when you guys got to know that there's this entire audition happening for a boy band, what was your reaction like, and how did you all actually decide that maybe you wanted to do this?
I saw it on Snapchat, and I thought, why not?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
You mean like before the boot camp?
Yeah, before the boot camp. The first time that you'd heard that there's a boy band being formed and...
Oh,
Yeah.
actually I had no idea. But I got like DMs in which I saw like huge names like Savan Kotecha, Republic Records, and I was like, oh, this is some serious thing. I have to put my audition up. So that is when I like put a audition clip of it, and yeah, then I got selected, which was pretty emotional and amazing. Yeah.
So before this, I was gonna go solo, and right after, like I took like music classes to teach and all, so I could earn money like to buy equipment. And right when I bought equipment, I got a message saying like I'm like shortlisted. So that's when I made like 2 chits, like boy band or solo, and I threw them. and I took
Wow.
the chit and it said boy band.
Amazing.
So here I am now.
So what's happening to the equipments now?
Oh, it's still at my house right now. I have to courier them to Mumbai, so.
Yeah. All of you are like trained singers, or is there...
Yeah.
Oh my god, wow. Wow. So that must have been the connecting factor, I'm sure.
Yeah, part of it.
Yeah, but tell me, how was the boot camp like? What did you all actually do? There's a lot of curiosity कि boot camp में actually होता क्या है? If you could just give us more details.
So it was like a month-long boot camp in Goa, and we all met for the first time over there. And first few days it was kind of awkward, but then we started like building friendships and all. And yeah, we used to have classes. It was a pretty hectic timetable, so we used to be occupied from like 7 a.m. to like 10. Yeah, and then we had like dance classes, performance, and singing, and then I hated fitness. But so at the end of every week we used to have showcases. We used to like get judges kabhi kabhi, and then ये तो गोवा में रहता है.
Like I'm from Goa only, so everyone came by flight. They got the feel like, oh, we are making it. I came by a cab, so yeah, boot camp was fun. Even if I didn't make it, honestly, that would have been an opportunity because we met a lot of influential people working in the music industry, and we had shoots and all, which is not a common habit for any of us. Yeah, like now I'm just like training to be a musician, a performer, model, everything. So it's like all 2 in 1. Yeah.
I've never been to Goa. That was my first time, and the only thing I saw was the villa.
Okay.
In whole of Goa, I just saw the villa. That's it. Is it? I don't know. That's
You
crazy.
deserve a Goa chutti now.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, guys. But tell me also, when you got selected, of course there must be happiness, but what was your parents' reaction like? Because this is something that we don't expect your kids to suddenly get selected on something like this. So how did they react? Was there anyone telling कि नहीं ये नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं जा रहे हो तुम?
So मेरे घर पे music and all was not allowed at all because both my parents are professors. So मैं जब भी कह रहा था म्यूज़िक करना है तो पापा बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहे थे कि ये सब क्या बेवकूफ़ी है. फिर जब मुझे पता चला कि मेरा हुआ है, आई वॉजंट इवन एट होम, मतलब मैं दूसरे शहर में था, एंड इन लोगों ने बताया कि तुम्हारे जूते आ रहे हैं, एंड आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर माई शूज़. बट देन मेरे नेबर ने वीडियो कॉल किया मुझे कि ये देखो तुम्हारा क्या है. मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब था. मैं देख रहा हूँ बहुत ब्लर्ड है कि क्या है, मेरे जूते हैं, ये इतने बड़े से क्यों हैं, कागज़ पे मेरी फ़ोटो क्यों बनी हुई है जूतों के लिए. फिर उसके बाद मैंने देखा वो बोर्डिंग ग्रुप टॉप 5. या आई वाज क्रेजी. या
Yeah, I mean my parents, like, I think my parents were like happier than me. Yeah, I mean they were like very very excited. Since the Goa boot camp was over, na, every day my dad used to be like, please ho jana band mein, please ho jana band mein. मतलब हो जाऊंगा.
But tell me, what was like your first impression of each other? Anyone has a funny story to share like about
okay,
each
so
other? Yeah.
in the boot camp when everyone was asleep, मैं रात में 2 बजे पानी पीने गया था और मेरे कान में एयरपॉड्स थे और मुझे एकदम कोने में अंधेरे में एक बंदा ऐसे कीज बजा रहा था और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया. और इसके बाल इतने लंबे थे, इसका मुंह दिख ही नहीं रहा था. मैं डर के मारे हिल नहीं पा रहा था कि क्या है यहाँ पे. फिर मैंने एयरपॉड्स निकाले, आवाज़ लगाई मशाल, ये ऊपर देखता है फिर बजाने लग जाता है. उसके बाद पास में भाई मशाल ठीक है. तो या दैट वाज लाइक माय फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन. जब मैं पहली बार इससे मिला था, आधा घंटा इसने लिया था गिटार ट्यून करने के लिए और फिर कुछ बजा रहा था जो सिर्फ इसको सुनाई दे रहा था और किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था.
First impression, I guess, for Shayan. So there was this rule that we couldn't order anything from outside. But रात को हर दिन 1 बजे Blinkit से कॉल आता था.
What was he ordering?
Red Bulls. I don't know why. Shit, yeah. Please cut that out. I'm just kidding. And well, firstly for Bhuvan, I think it was his first time experiencing a lot of things. And he was asking everything कि toaster कैसे काम चलता है, microwave कैसे on करता है. That was really cute and that was crazy.
To be very very honest, I thought all of these were like arrogant, egoistic beings. Like this guy didn't even probably like hug me when we first met. It was like this, like a side hug. So, but yeah, after like 1-2 weeks, we bonded like really really well. To be honest, I really didn't have that close friends that I have now. Like these four of them, I think we are like blood brothers or something.
How is it to actually live together? Like, does that become special? या झगड़े वगड़े हो रहे हैं ऐसे roommates की तरह?
Mm.
हाँ तो बस हॉल में सेटअप होता है एंड देन इट्स फोर ऑफ अस वर्सेस हिमांग. हाँ
हिमांग बैड बॉय है.
या नहीं मतलब मज़ा आता है. इट्स प्रीटी फन. तंग बहुत करते हैं लोग.
Like we all jam again and again, and our schedule is kind of hectic also. And like as he's saying, I didn't hug him properly. Before that, I actually wrote in the comments, you know, they posted like, who do you think can be like a star material? I wrote Bhuvan's name and Kurin's name before the boot camp even happened. You can actually check it.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, and honestly, like we all like fight, but it's very brotherly. It's not like we are like punching. There might be scars, but it's very brotherly.
And now that you guys have spent like ample time together, I want you to reveal one secret about someone from this band.
रात को भुवन शीशे के सामने जाता है एंड अपने आप को बोलता है आई एम द बेस्ट.
Oh.
इसके पास
Words of
वी
affirmation.
हैव अ वीडियो ऑफ दिस एज वेल.
We want that to be leaked.
So that was like a music video, like a real video thing. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Next, आप बता दो किसी
Okay.
के बारे में.
So Shayan is like a tomato. We call him Tomato because he has an allergy on his. Yeah. So he literally becomes a tomato.
What are you allergic to?
Actually, secret मेरे को ज़्यादा आ नहीं रहा.
Okay. कुछ fun fact ही बता दो.
कुछ फन फैक्ट. मतलब जो मशाल को बीमारी थी रात को पियानो बजाने का, अब शयन और वो दोनों साथ में करते हैं. तो बेसिकली रात को भुवन हर दिन बोलता है गाइस प्लीज आराम से हो, क्योंकि भुवन हर दिन 11 बजे सोता है. तो बेसिकली बहुत नया होता है सुबह. तो
खुशहाल.
सुबह हिमांग चिल्ला के आग मेरे रूम के बाहर. मेरा रूम एकदम हॉल के साइड में है, तो उधर ही रियाज करते हैं.
So everyone has a different time for riyaz. One is my midnight, one early morning.
We all sleep and wake up at different times.
Great boy band. Also tell me, there's this lot of comparison that's happening with, of course, BTS, जो कि immediate comparison हो जाता है. How do you kind of deal with that, and what's your take on K-pop music?
So like, we don't want to be anything like BTS, One Direction, or any other bands. We want to be something unique, and we want to represent India. We want to represent India in a similar way how BTS represented Korea on a global scale. And we want to make it something like everyone feels like, oh, we should be part of this, you know, like it should be a movement. We just don't want to like drop songs. Every song should feel like India has done something great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, we come from very different parts of the country, and we sort of want to blend in our regional music into what we make. And I actually like K-pop. Yeah, that's my take on K-pop.
Yeah, pretty similar. I don't think we're trying to be like K-pop. Like we don't want people to say that.
The Indian BTS.
Yeah, stuff like that. We like when a few years into the future, we want people to be like, we want to be like Outstation. We don't want to like, you know, just
Right.
and yeah, just something unique that's unique to us, and not copying anyone, pretty
Right.
much.
Yeah, I think I agree with Himang ki, well, honestly, I also like K-pop. But honestly, when 5 people from different parts of India come together, it's obviously going to be a whole different style than anyone could have ever imagined before.
Absolutely.
So we are hoping to impress a lot of people. So yeah.
Yeah. You wanted to add something?
So like we all are self-taught, and our combination of, you know, our music is like Western and Indian influences. So I think representing India at a global scale, it's perfect, because I don't think the West is so used to like I'd say the Indian sounds, and just opening up that Jack, that lock or like the door
Yeah,
is like, it's just our responsibility right now,
absolutely.
and we're just like grateful for it.
Right, right. But when you look at this entire journey, what do you think is the biggest challenge for you as bandmates of Outstation?
Challenges. I just say waking up at 7. Yeah, the rest is we are just going with the flow, and we are only aiming to be like just great, Yes.
Your challenges is staying awake till late.
My challenge is trying to sleep at night because these two people don't let me sleep at night at all. Like I have to call them, मेरा call नहीं उठाते लोग. Then I have to physically go and tell them, कि भाई धीरे बजाओ. And then when I come back into the room, the volume has increased. So yeah, that's my only challenge with these guys.
My challenge is battling with Mumbai. Like this is my first time on a city, so I can't sleep with a cotton on my ears because of the the honking, etc., etc. And the traffic, man, it's crazy. And I think there's a lot of challenges for me because I've literally lived in the middle of a forest and I've come to a whole new city, like a complete city. So yeah, but I'm getting along. I'll be a city boy soon.
Bhuvan has come from a forest area, and we asked him, how do you like Mumbai? He had only one word answer. He said, it's all cement. That's such an odd answer, but it's so perfect.
But also tell me, at young age, getting popular, like how does that feel? Does it sometimes get a little overwhelming? Because it's just a complete shift from your normal life.
At first, when I got like viral on Instagram, it felt pretty optimistic because with the good comments, there's hate comments too, right?
Yeah.
So that was that got into my head for like a month. Then I got used to it. Now I look into the comments and I literally laugh at them. So it's pretty cool now.
I mean, for me, this is all very new because ये सब पहले से famous थे Instagram पे. Like सबकी एक वीडियो वायरल हो चुकी थी. मैंने कोई वीडियो डाला ही नहीं. मैंने एक ही वीडियो डाला. So मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा नया है ये सब. But since ये चारों famous हैं, इनको पता है how the game works. So मज़ा आ रहा है इनके साथ.
Yes, famous boys.
I don't think I'm famous, but I mean, yeah, it feels normal. I don't think huge celebrities feel like different.
Right.
It's normal, like it's living your life.
Okay.
So yes, pretty chill.
Humble boys.
I mean, honestly, it's like a dream come true, obviously. Because like I've always dreamt of being in a shoot, photo shoot, video shoot.
Yeah.
सही में होता हूँ तो like it's crazy. Like legit fashion shows. But fashion shows नहीं मतलब fashion कपड़े पहनते तो बहुत crazy लगता है.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've been like dreaming of this since a kid. So now it's like, even though we are here, I feel like we should go even higher. So it's like not enough.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And about Bhuvan's hate comments, one of them was me.
Oh, really?
Because I was training him, because giving him hate comments has trained him to just avoid the other hate comments. Yeah, I'm kidding.
But we also enjoy the vlogs that you guys have started putting out, those tiny bits of your journey. Yeah. How do you guys have fun doing that?
It's pretty unhinged. Like it's us doing whatever we do every
Right.
day, and we're getting filmed. So it's just us having fun doing whatever we're supposed to do. Maza aata hai.
Okay. On a final note, we'll just do some fun questions. Basically, you have to name one among your bandmates. Tell me who takes the longest to get ready.
Hemang.
Who takes the longest to reply to group texts?
Mashal. But still, he's still on his phone not the whole time.
Okay. Who has weirdest fan edits like shared? Who has like a lot of fan?
Probably me.
Ooh.
I saw one fan edit which is like very sad music. I was just watching it and I was just laughing. I don't remember it, but it's like some heartbroken guy kind of.
Where do you find these fan edits?
I mean, there are fan pages. Like random fan pages, we just come across them on our FYP, so that's great.
We thought that he was the funniest guy, and he has fans who make him like look like a sad boy.
No, that was actually Mashal's real.
Okay. Tell me, who's most likely to forget lyrics, like when you guys are practicing?
I think all of us have the same problem.
I vote me. Bro, in the
Okay, so in the boot camp, I was given a Punjabi song. I didn't know Punjabi at all. That was so. What these guys did, Mashal didn't tell me. इसने चार्ट पेपर ऑर्डर कर दिए थे और मार कर ऑर्डर कर दिए थे. और फिर इसने कहा मेरे से परफॉर्मेंस के एक घंटा पहले कहा कि भाई इस पे तुम अपने लिरिक्स लिख दो, मुझे पकड़ा दो. सो आई रोट द लिरिक्स
Yeah.
एंड ये टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर लेके खड़े हो गए सब पीछे. सब इनसे पूछ रहे क्या कर रहे हो लोग, कह रहे चीयर कर रहे हैं हम लोग. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग का एक फ्रेंड था, वो भी बूट कैम्प में था. उसको मैंने कहा मैं गा रहा हूँ और मैं ऊपर पढ़ के गा रहा हूँ, सबको पता चल गया मैं लिरिक्स देख के गा रहा हूँ. फिर मैं विरेज को कह रहा हूँ भाई घूम जाओ, एक साइड लिखे थे दूसरे, भाई घूम जाओ. वो खुद घूम रहा है. वो गाने के साथ वाइब कर रहा है कि भाई चार्ट पेपर घुमा. सो या
And it got wiped out.
So basically, we had to do 4 or 3 sets. One is like 2 songs and 1 dance.
Yeah.
So the thing I wrote was after the singing one. So third was my dance, and the first 2 were my singing thing. So I there was a mic, a stand mic. I used to sing like this, like singing, and they were kind of noticing, the teachers. But after the whole thing, I had dance in which I had this step. Okay. That's it. They all were looking at my hand, and it was pretty clearly visible. Yeah.
Okay, tell me who actually checks themselves out in the mirror like most?
Wherever there's a mirror,
wherever there's a mirror.
there is a Hemang.
Who has the best fashion sense?
Definitely not me.
अब कोई नहीं देख रहा.
चलो Hemang.
जल्दी गए माँ.
And who has the worst fashion sense? He's taking it for the team.
I mean,
नहीं. He knows it.
yeah, exactly. Still.
Yesterday he was wearing a track pant when we were going outside and he was confused why we are against it. Today he was gonna wear some banyan or something, you know. So yeah, Korean's fashion sense is very
Working
bad.
on it.
Working on it.
Who's the most emotional one in there?
Korean.
Oh.
I think that's why it's very funny, you know, just to cover up.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I feel nice.
Who's always on their phone?
Don't give me the.
So now Bhuvan has 2 phones and he scrolls Instagram in both of them simultaneously.
Who's most likely to fake a cold just to get out of rehearsal? Fake a cold.
Mashal.
Who's the most active on social media?
Mashal.
I thought you don't use your phone.
No.
He doesn't use his phone except for post.
Okay. Who can flirt with a fan?
अरे यार क्या है भाई क्यों
Who's most likely to accidentally reveal some secrets?
I'll vote for myself.
Okay. Who's the foodie in the group?
Shayan.
Yeah? Doesn't look like.
It just goes away.
Yeah, because you're 17, bro.
Who misses their family the most?
All of us.
Who's always on time for rehearsals? Okay.
I think we all come to the rehearsals at the same time. And like the first person to wake up is Hemang, but then he takes the most to like get ready. He wakes me up.
wakes up first,
Makes everyone.
and then he wakes me up, and then he goes to sleep. Then I have to wake everyone up. Then I have to wake up Hemang again.
I'm fully ready with shoes on all. So Hemang is like, knock, knock, knock. Bhuvan, ut ja. I'm literally all ready. I just have to open the door and go. That's it.
And who's always late?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bhuvan wakes up because of the sunrise. He took the. He wakes up with the sunrise. Subah ho gayi.
And lemon water.
Who has like the toughest time while in dance rehearsals? Really? I thought people in Goa always dance. Like
No, I used to hate dancing before this. Like, genuinely. Now I'm just a bit more open to it. But yeah, before I used to go to, just anywhere like dance places. And I used to not dance or I should just vibe with my friends.
Right.
So this is a new experience now. Because I've perfected music for so long that I feel like I've not perfected dance enough. So I'm still trying my best right now.
Amazing. And of course, it's a music band, but tell me if you had to play back for an actor, like who's on the dream list that you guys have? Yeah, Bollywood playback.
Ranbir Kapoor, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, to be honest. I don't watch much Bollywood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I'm gonna go with Shah Rukh Khan because as a kid I was always a huge fan.
I think Hrithik Roshan will be mine.
I'm gonna say Shah Rukh Khan as well.
Amazing. So you guys will be competing.
Yes.
Oh. Now you'll have to go with someone else.